Today I am off to KFC. They've brought out a brand new liquid gold sauce that sounds pretty interesting. So how about we whip on in, grab a couple of their products that's got this sauce on it, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go! Now this KFC's got a drive-through, so let's use it. Can I get a three-piece tender liquid gold thing?
In a combo or on their own?
Just on their own?
Yep.
And I'll also grab the liquid gold zinger burger, thanks.
Just on their own or a combo or a box?
Just on its own, thank you.
Just one, sorry?
Just one.
Yep. Anything else?
That's all today.
$17.90, done too.
Thanks. $17.90. And here I am forking out all this money for you. So, thank you very much. Hi. Good, thank you.
$17.90. That was the card?
Yes, thanks.
Top there.
Can I grab the receipt too,
Yeah.
please? Got to get the receipt. Awesome.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Yes! Got the receipt. $17.90. Yes, sir. Hopefully the meal's big enough to last me all week for this price.
Okay,
Awesome. Thank you.
have a lovely day.
Thanks. All right, well, here it is. How about we find somewhere to park and I'll chuck it on the scales. All right, well, that must be the liquid gold zinger burger. 220 odd grams. And in here I have a box. This will be the tenders with the liquid gold sauce. Probably about 250 odd grams for that. Now, let's crack this open. Suss out what we get inside. Oh my goodness! Have a look at that. Whoa! There's a liquid gold sauce. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I was expecting it to be hot like a gravy, but it's a cold sauce. That's about 140 odd grams, probably about 130. Now, if you just wanted to buy a tub of this liquid gold sauce on its own, it's going to set you back $3. Anyway, I did get this zinger with the liquid gold because I wanted to compare it to see what zinger tastes like and what it tastes like with original chicken as well. Oh, I tell you what, those tenders look awesome! But it's time to crack open this liquid gold sauce. Whoa! Looks like something they scrape out of a baby's nappy. Now, the liquid gold sauce has been described as rich and creamy with a subtle peppery kick. So there it is. It's actually quite thick. And like I said, I thought it was maybe a gravy, but it's a cold sauce. It looks pretty interesting, I suppose. I can see the pepper in there. And let's just check out the liquid gold zinger here. See how much sauce is on it. Okay, well, it's got your sesame seed bun. There's your liquid gold sauce. Geez, there's not much on it. And your zinger fillet and some lettuce. Oh, hang on, there's some more sauce underneath. Oh, thank goodness for that. I was so close to losing my mind then. Anyway, let's give this liquid gold sauce a taste. See what it's like. Let's go. Oh. Geez, that tastes a bit rancid. It tastes like they got the cheapest mayonnaise you could get, dumped a whole lot of vinegar in it, cracked some black pepper, and then stirred through some chipotle sauce or something. Gee, I'm not really liking the taste of this at all. It does have that peppery kick about it, so it does leave a little bit of tangy spice in your mouth. I don't know if it's a flavour that you're going to like, because it's not a flavour that I'm liking. Anyway, it might go really well mixed with other things like these chicken tenders. I hope it does go together with the tenders. Alright, well, let's go. Yeah. These tenders are pretty salty, so I think the salt really helped boost the flavour of it. And it did taste alright with the tenders, actually. Of course, the tenders would taste way better without it, but it's going alright. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. It seems like a really good way to ruin a perfectly good tender. But maybe it'll taste better blended in with some zinger fillet. Let's put a bit on this zinger here. See if it tastes any good. Well, I think the zinger and the liquid gold sauce sort of cancelled each other out. I couldn't really even notice too much of a difference. They're both kind of spicy, so they kind of got lost within each other. Anyway, let's give the liquid gold zinger a go. I can't really taste it, which is a good thing. I think the heat from the zinger fillet drowns out the heat from the liquid gold sauce. It does overpower it, so it sort of cancels it out. But I mean, it's tasting all right. Yeah. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this now to know what score it's getting. Out of 10. Well, the zinger box with the liquid gold sauce was $9.45. This combo here seems pretty expensive. And the zinger with the liquid gold was $8.45. Flavour-wise, well, those delicious, beautiful tenders coated in some of the best flavoured chicken you've ever had. Once mixed with this liquid gold sauce, great. Tell you what, this liquid gold sauce is just so bitter and sour and vinegary, and I was sort of hoping it might be more gravy-like, but no way, mate. It is... Oh, it's something that I don't even want to put in my mouth again. Oh, I thought it was pretty horrible. Well, not horrible, but not something I'm going to stick in my mouth again. Okay, I'll stick it in my mouth again. Oh, I actually think it would be good poured over a salad. If you're going to make a nice salad for dinner, maybe save some of this sauce for it. Stir it through. That could be a good way to use this sauce. Another good way to use this sauce is if you've got an ant's nest and you want to get rid of them, maybe put this tub right near it. They'll come and eat it. Boom! Problem solved. I actually didn't mind it on the Zinger Burger though. The Zinger Burger's got quite a bit of heat, and the liquid gold sauce has got a bit of heat about it too, and it sort of cancelled each other out. But as far as using it on a beautiful piece of Kentucky Fried Chicken, mate, I just can't do it. Why would you ruin that taste for that taste? So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the liquid gold sauce, well, it's definitely not 24 karat gold, that's for sure. It's more like gold coloured paint. I reckon I can only give this up. Well, the sauce on its own, 2 out of 10. The sauce dunked with some original recipe, 1 out of 10. And the sauce with a zinger burger, a 5 out of 10. It's not very often that KFC brings out something that I don't want to eat and never want to see again. But here we are. I thought this sauce was really vinegary and tangy and didn't have a nice flavour at all, and it didn't go with the chicken at all. It did taste all right though with the zinger burger, so that'd be my recommendation. If you get something with the sauce, get it with the zinger. But as far as buying a whole tub of it, mate, normally I would drink something like this from KFC, but this is going straight in the bin. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. If you've made it this far, why don't you show the video some thumbing love? Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.